The incredible story of who invented the microscope. Have you ever wondered who made it possible to see the tiny world, invisible to the naked eye? Today, we explore the fascinating story of the microscope, one of the most important inventions in science. From humble magnifying glasses to high-tech electron microscopes, this invention has changed how we see life itself. The concept of magnifying objects began in the 13th century with simple glass lenses. Scholars and craftsmen used magnifying glasses to read tiny letters or examine small objects. But it wasn't until the late 16th century that inventors tried to combine lenses to see things much smaller than ever before. Around 1590, a Dutch spectacle maker named Zacharias Janssen, along with his father Hans, is credited with creating the first compound microscope, magnifying objects up to 10 times their size. Shortly after, other inventors took notice. Galileo Galilei, famous for his telescope, built his own compound microscope in 1609. Though limited in power, these early microscopes laid the foundation for scientific exploration. It was a time when curiosity and craftsmanship collided to open a whole new world. But the real revolution came with Antonie van Leeuwenhoek, a Dutch draper and scientist, using his meticulously crafted single-lens microscopes. In the 1670s, he became the first human to observe bacteria, protozoa, and red blood cells. He called them animalcules and meticulously recorded his findings in letters to the Royal Society of London. Leeuwenhoek's observations revealed a microscopic universe hidden from the naked eye, forever changing biology and medicine. Before the microscope, the microscopic world was completely unknown. Thanks to Leeuwenhoek and others, scientists could study cells, bacteria, and the very building blocks of life. This led to discoveries about disease, infection, and the structure of living organisms. Entire fields like microbiology and histology were born, allowing humans to understand life on an entirely new scale. Over the centuries, microscopes have evolved dramatically, from simple lenses to modern compound microscopes, and finally to electron microscopes that magnify millions of times. Scientists can now study viruses, atoms, and molecules. Today's microscopes are essential in medicine, genetics, and materials science. Every advance started with the curiosity of early inventors, asking a simple question: what if we could see the invisible? So next time you look through a microscope, remember the journey from simple lenses to cutting-edge technology. The microscope didn't just reveal a hidden world, it changed the way humans see life itself. Invented by Zacharias Janssen and perfected by Antonie van Leeuwenhoek, it continues to inspire generations of scientists around the world.